Hey beautiful, my name is Machede Aji from Maiduguri. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make kunun madara at home. Let me know how you make your own kunun madara at the comments. So to get started, we need 1.5 cup of full cream milk powder. So I add 3 cups of water, whisk it and strain it to remove all the lumps, the pumps ne ko lumps ne ko mene kuke faɗa a rage naku. So I added mahamsa and 1 cup of condensed milk, not 1 cup. If you go and add 1 cup on your own. I take 1 cup of the mixed milk, add 1 tablespoon of corn powder to make it thicker and to also cook it. Just like every other kunun madara also need to be properly cooked. Cook the milk on fire for 5 minutes before adding the mix of corn flour. After adding the mix of corn flour, don't cover the pot, let it cook for a while and then you bring it down. Boom! Our kunun madara is ready for drinking. So dai kamar yadda aka faɗa laifin daɗi ƙarewa. So don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment and let me know if I have tried or not. Let me know where you are watching this video from and I'm sending you lots of kisses from Maiduguri. God bless you. Follow me for more interesting video. I love you.